Welcome to Brad Allen Drums. Today we're going to talk again about how to increase your single stroke roll speed, this time using one-handed fill-ins. So if you feel like you've run into another brick wall when it comes to speed, I'm going to show you another way to break through that brick wall. For those of you who are new to this channel, I'm Brad Allen. I'm a former U.S. Army drummer, now based out of Kansas City. I'm also a private drum teacher who has helped many hundreds of students to develop great stick control, including my student Matthew Lum, who won a fastest hands drumming competition 2 years in a row. Okay, one-handed fill-ins. If you watched my video on lightning fast single stroke rolls, I demonstrated how practicing one-handed exercises is a big key to developing speed. The next step is to start filling in notes with the other hand. You'll find that many things are easier to play using one hand as the lead and filling in with the other hand, as opposed to playing everything with a right-left alternating sticking. The reason for this is that it takes less coordination to lead with one hand than it does to use strict alternating sticking. Now, even though that's the case, the exercises that I'm going to show you here will actually help you to build coordination along with increasing your single stroke roll speed. Here's exercise 1. You'll want to start this slow, but work it up as fast as you can play it using a metronome, always staying completely relaxed. By the way, I'd also like to send you a copy of my 10 best exercises for speed that I've created. These are the same type of exercises that helped my student Matthew Lum win that fastest hands drumming competition 2 years in a row. Just follow the link in the video or in the comments below to get a free copy. Okay, exercise 2. This is similar, but uses an even smaller grouping of 16th notes. Exercise 3. This is similar to the last one, but we'll change it up just a bit. Those are all very short exercises. Those are very effective by themselves, but if you want to expand them, try doubling the length of each of them. So instead of having just 2 counts of eighth notes and 2 counts of fill-ins, try one whole measure of eighth notes, fill in the second measure with each of the 3 patterns that I just demonstrated. You can do the same thing with triplets. There are a number of possibilities, but here's one exercise that I really like. You can also practice each exercise leading with the left hand. These ideas can also be applied to the drum set. If you're working on double bass, try these exercises with your feet. You can also take the first 3 exercises and play a rock beat for the eighth notes. Build your speed around the drum set by playing the fills on different drum combinations. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I have some more really effective speed exercises that I'd like to send you. Just follow the link in the video or in the comments below to get a free copy. So what did you find the most helpful about this video? Please comment below, or even if you just comment helpful, that would be great to hear. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. Thank you for watching, and I have a whole playlist for developing your stick control. Please watch those next, and I'll see you for the next video.